It's chilly outside, but the winds are fairly calm and we have some sunshine outside. So overall, really not a bad late March day taking shape. As you can see, pavement is dry on area roads. We're looking off to the north here, and you can see US 131 as folks are heading out of downtown Grand Rapids. As you can see, this is a look out over downtown Kalamazoo. We look off to the east and you can notice that overall wind. Again, just a gentle breeze right now. And we look at temperatures that are holding in the 30s right now, mid to upper 30s. And if you can believe it, these readings are a good 5 to almost 15 degrees colder than we were just 24 hours ago. And so once again, we have taken a giant step backward in the temperature department today. And you factor in that breeze, and we've got those wind chills or feels like readings in a lot of places in the low 30s. So definitely a day for bundling up. Now, as you head out the door, you want the sunglasses as well. And we will see dry conditions prevail today from start to finish. As you notice regionally, though, we've got quite a storm system coming together back to our west and northwest. And yes, it is snow, not rain, showing up from the Dakotas to Minnesota, western Wisconsin, and even creeping into the western part of the UP. And this magenta shading here, that is a winter storm warning that is in effect. There will be parts of the UP that could pick up a good 6 to 12 inches of snow over the weekend. So from the central to the western part of the UP, it's a winter storm warning. Northern Wisconsin, Minnesota, back into North Dakota and northeastern Montana, a winter storm watch across the rest of the UP. Now here in West Michigan, even though the precipitation should generally mostly be rain, looking at wind as the huge impact for everyone regionally. This is a dynamic storm system which will be strengthening. This is a look at tomorrow, and this is the wind speed futurecast. You can notice tomorrow afternoon sustained winds 25 to 40 miles per hour, and we will have gusts at times tomorrow afternoon 40 to 50 miles per hour, especially along the lakeshore. So once again, it is going to be just a bitterly cold feeling day just because of those intense winds. We also will be looking at that mixture of precipitation coming through as well. Not today. Today will be dry from start to finish. That area of precipitation holding at bay until at least early tomorrow morning. You want to join us tomorrow morning on Daybreak as we track the latest here. As you can see, this precipitation by noon. Indicators are that perhaps even as far south as Hastings, Middleville, over toward the Lansing and Vermontville areas into the north, we could get a quick shot of a few hours of that slushy wet snow mixing in. The precip presses eastward by mid to late afternoon, and we should see at least some sunshine return. Just a few scattered flurries are possible then as we head into tomorrow night and into Easter Sunday. Sunday should also feature at least some sunshine, but it'll be a brisk northwesterly wind that reinforces that cold air. In fact, for Sunday, we're forecasting highs only in the 30s. Low 40s return here, so holding on to the cold air for Monday. And in fact, Sue, unseasonably cold air the rule all of next week, with at times a mixture of precipitation coming through and those early morning lows down in the 20s. So if you picked a staycation, you should check Miranda's guide for a lot of indoor activities.
Yeah, good idea.